Number 1. 1984 Cadillac Eldorado, $4,500, Michigan City, Indiana. This 1984 Cadillac Eldorado is a well-preserved example of 80s American luxury, powered by a V8 and front-wheel drive layout. With approximately 78,000 miles and described as garage-kept, it shows minimal rust and remains in excellent condition. These Eldorados are known for their smooth ride, elegant styling, and comfortable interiors, a strong-running, affordable luxury coupe that represents classic Cadillac refinement. Number 2. 1986 Subaru GL hatchback, $4,000, Boise, Idaho. A durable and practical 1986 Subaru GL with four-wheel drive and a manual transmission. With 191,000 miles, it has been well maintained with many recent updates including a clutch and ignition components. Known for reliability and all-weather capability, these early Subaru models are gaining appreciation among enthusiasts. A fun, efficient classic that delivers impressive fuel economy and usability. Number 3. 1968 Buick Skylark, $3,800, Carson City, Nevada. This 1968 Buick Skylark is a classic mid-size muscle-era coupe, equipped with a stock 350 V8. With 91,000 original miles and a solid body, it presents as a good driver-quality car. It runs well, but needs attention due to a transmission fluid leak. Skylarks from this era offer a great balance of style and performance, making this a budget-friendly entry into classic American V8 ownership. Number 4. 1951 Studebaker Land Cruiser, $7,000, Wheatland, Wyoming. A rare and distinctive 1951 Studebaker Land Cruiser featuring original paint and interior. Powered by a V8 with a 3-speed manual and overdrive, this car reflects early post-war American engineering. With 68,000 miles and no rust, it stands out as a true survivor. Studebaker's unique styling and limited production make this a collectible classic with strong vintage appeal. Number 5. 1967 Ford Thunderbird, $7,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1967 Thunderbird is a personal luxury coupe powered by a rebuilt 390 V8 with performance upgrades, including a mild cam and refreshed components throughout. With 44,000 miles, it offers strong mechanical potential and solid overall condition. The Thunderbird of this era blends luxury with muscle, and this example benefits from extensive recent work, making it a capable driver with added performance character. Number 6. 1973 Buick Centurion Convertible, $9,500, 5 Mile, Washington. A full-size 1973 Buick Centurion Convertible equipped with a powerful 455 V8 and automatic transmission. With 45,000 miles and documented history including the original build sheet, it carries strong collector appeal. Recent maintenance items enhance reliability. These large convertibles are known for smooth cruising and strong torque, making this a desirable classic for open-top driving. Number 7. 1987 Chevrolet Camaro Iroc Z, $8,999, Tacoma, Washington. This 1987 Camaro Iroc Z is a third-generation performance icon featuring a 5.7-liter V8 with tuned port injection. With 61,253 miles, it runs and drives but is best viewed as a project. Upgrades include dual exhaust and suspension improvements, while original air conditioning components are included. Iroc Z models are increasingly collectible, and this example offers strong potential for restoration or customization. Number 8. 1988 Chevrolet Corvette, $12,799, Hillsboro, Oregon. A well-maintained 1988 Corvette finished in dark blue metallic with 96,000 miles. This C4 generation sports car features modern amenities for its time and sharp handling characteristics. Recent updates include tires, weather stripping, audio system, and seat bolsters. With removable tops and complete documentation, this Corvette offers an enjoyable and relatively affordable entry into classic American sports cars. Number 9. 1974 AMC Javelin, $14,000, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1974 AMC Javelin SST blends muscle car styling with tasteful upgrades, including an AMX-style hood and spoiler. Powered by a 304 V8 with aftermarket carburetor and headers, it delivers solid performance. The car features updated interior components and a repaint. Javelins are less common than competitors, giving this example unique appeal for collectors seeking something different. Number 10. 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger, $15,000, Yerington, Nevada. A striking 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger finished in rare hemi-orange, one of the final years for this iconic color. This rust-free example is powered by a rebuilt 360 Magnum V8 paired with a strengthened automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include headers, upgraded carburetor, and a strong rear-end setup. While the interior needs some attention, the solid body and performance build make this a highly desirable Mopar classic with serious street presence.